3D I guess it's just 3D Speed, the 425. I did half the hood already, just one pass on the hood. Going from really bad swirls. I mean bad. This car is bad. See him? To, I think I started right here, to this. What a difference. I dabbed 4 little dots on the foam. On that. And I took out the car. You can see where I started and stopped. Right there. And then started right here. Right here. See, look at the difference. There, you can see where I started. Big difference. That's just one pass. Yeah, this stuff works really good, you guys. Really good. So when I get the rest of the hood done, I'll show you what it looks like. It's the 2020 Honda Accord Sport. I had really bad scratches on the hood, like you can see the scratch. If I can get the light. Anyway, I had a scratch going across here. You can see all the scuffing where I used another polish just with a rag to take out the scratch first. And then it was clear across over to here. And you see it's absolutely gone. So, let's get the rest of the hood done and I'll show you the final results. It was really bad, this hood. Really bad. Probably could use good 3 times going over it. The hood is the main part of the car that takes a lot of damage. I went around and touched up all the rock chips first. And you can see here, some right here I haven't cut down enough yet. But I'm going to cut them down. But there was rock chips really bad all over here. And I just touched them up with paint, let it dry. And I cut it down with the with this stuff. Works really good. Night and day difference, you guys. Who needs a detailer? I haven't even done this part yet. See the swirl marks? So I'm going to do that up this side over here now and see how it makes out. Love this stuff. Expensive, but with this and the right cutting pad, set it on about 4-speed with my grind, with my buffer anyway, and away you go. So I'll show you the final results later. Before. There, just about all the cars done. What a difference. What a difference. She's shining. I just gotta do the roof. There's some dust on it from buffing, but as you can see, you have to go over the car again and buff it down with a rag. What a difference, you guys. This stuff works really good. So all I have left now is this door right here. It's somewhat done. Just gotta do the bottom. And I gotta do the top. See how dull the top is? Look how shiny the sides are. I gotta do this mirror. Yeah, looks good. Very good product, you guys. I stand by it. I definitely will continue using it. So, all I'm using is the orange pad and 3D speed. And I barely use any of it. Barely use any of it. So, looks good. So, I just wanted to show you guys the final results. I just got to finish down the bottom here on the ground effects and the roof. And she'll be all done. And that mirror. Look how dull that mirror is. Pretty bad, huh? Then you look at the other one. Nice and shiny. Great product. So thanks for watching, you guys. Appreciate it. Just wanted to share this with you guys. I wanted to do a before and after. And as you can see from the trunk could probably actually use another good coat. But I've been 4 hours doing this, so as you can see, the trunk's pretty damn good. Swirls are all gone. Got some dirt on it though. Wipe some of the dirt off. Shiny. Do the spoiler. Yep. So thanks for watching, you guys. Cheers.